starting at $235,000. FK Tech here. The Urus has the capability of an SUV together with the ferocious performance of a Lamborghini. Even though it's Lamborghini's second SUV, after the Rambo Lumbo LM002, the Urus isn't 100% Italian. It shares its basis with the Audi Q7, Q8, Porsche Cayenne, and Bentley Bentayga, all of which are similarly imposing workhorses. The whole Urus, including the 657 horsepower twin-turbo V8, is manufactured in Germany and then sent to the Sant'Agata Bolognese assembly facility. The Urus's current loadout of technology will get a boost from a forthcoming hybrid drivetrain. The Urus has the most cutting-edge mechanical bull technology available, including an 8-speed automatic gearbox, torsion center differential, and torque vectoring rear diff. The year 2024, what's new? While Lamborghini doesn't make many changes to the Urus for 2024, CEO Stefan Winkelmann has confirmed that the high-performance SUV will have a hybrid powertrain in 2024, either to replace or supplement the present 657 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine. While going with the base model Urus S would save us roughly $35,000, it would also mean settling for less than optimal performance. The performance lower suspension with stiffer steel springs, several weight reduction measures, and other improvements are just what we're looking for. The bigger 23-inch wheels shot with the race-ready Pirelli P0 Trofeo tires are our personal preference. Maximum efficiency is the goal once again. 3 words that describe the interior. The inside is as spectacular as one would expect from a Lamborghini. The start button is concealed by a red flip cover, and the shifter mimics the shape of an aircraft's throttle, both design details that harken back to the world of jet fighters. The performance settings and driving modes are adjusted via levers to the left of the shifter. Faux leather and carbon fiber adorn the inside, while an Audi-sourced infotainment system and flexible instrument cluster provide a sporty but refined driving experience. Depending on how the seats are arranged, the rear seat may comfortably accommodate anywhere from 2 to 3 passengers. Door pockets and a container concealed below the central stack are 2 very handy cubby spaces within the vehicle. The Urus's load space can expand to a maximum of 22 cubic feet, however adding the optional rear bucket seats reduces it by 2 cubic feet. Connectivity and entertainment. The most cutting-edge communication and entertainment technology is standard in every Urus. In addition to a digital instrument cluster, the interior environment may be managed through the 2 touch screens installed in the center stack. Although the displays feature clear images and sizable symbols, they lack the familiarity of conventional knobs and buttons. Mechanical components and overall efficiency. The Urus is driven by a 4.0-liter V8 that is twin-turbocharged for 657 horsepower. We'll keep you posted here as more details emerge about the hybrid drivetrain that's in the works. The Urus's motor produces a deep burble at idle and a tremendous roar when put under full power. With all that power, the vehicle's permanent all-wheel drive and 8-speed automatic gearbox allow for lightning-fast acceleration. Our tests revealed that the Urus could reach 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds and complete a quarter mile in 11.3 seconds at 121 miles per hour. Also, Lamborghini claims a maximum speed of 190 miles per hour. Driving the Urus is an exciting experience in its own right, thanks to its responsive steering and composed handling at high speeds. The Urus's ride height is adaptable in response to the vehicle's different driving modes thanks to its 4-corner air springs. The Urus has standard carbon ceramic brakes, allowing it to stop from 70 miles per hour in only 149 feet. The new Urus Performante is the perfect choice for those who desire a sportier SUV. It's said to weigh 104 less pounds and drop the conventional version's height by 0.8 inches. Available with ultra-grippy Pirelli P0 Trofeo tires mounted on 23-inch wheels. In addition, only the Performante has a steel spring suspension and a unique center differential that distributes greater torque to the rear wheels. The Ultra Urus also has a new rally driving mode tailored to gravel and dirt roads. Prototype driving the 2023 Urus Performante was a blast, but we really doubt that many customers would actually take their six-figure SUV and smash it on gravel-covered, off-road courses. We're delighted to report that the performance many enhancements pay off with a quicker powertrain, better input from the steering, and a stiffer ride if you take it to the track. In addition, it reached 60 miles per hour in 0.1 seconds less time than the previous model. Energy consumption and actual MPG. Urus owners can probably afford to throw out a gallon of petrol every few weeks, but Lamborghini's largest model undoubtedly drinks like a fish. The 657 horsepower Urus is predicted to get 14 miles per gallon in the city and 19 mpg on the highway, according to the EPA. We haven't seen how its MPG stacks up in the real world on our 75 mph highway fuel efficiency route, but your mileage may. The Lambo SUV comes with several different kinds of optional and basic driver aid features, including a camera that can see in the dark. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality is a standard feature. Rear cross-traffic and blind spot alerts are standard. Self-parking support is readily available. Protection against breakdowns and warranties. Lamborghini's warranty is short at 3 years and unlimited miles. Similarly, it does not provide periodic maintenance at no additional cost. The Italian carmaker does, however, offer optional paid maintenance and warranty extensions. 3-year/unlimited mileage limited warranty. The 3-year, unlimited mileage powertrain warranty. There is no cost-free maintenance service. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.